Today we are going to discuss exercise and rest. There are a lot of benefits of the exercise, like it helps in maintaining physical fitness, strengthens our bones and muscles, and increased efficiency of heart and improves blood circulation. It also strengthens our lungs. It also helps our nervous system by supplying more oxygen to the brain. And also when we are doing exercise, we are getting sweat, so it helps us to get rid of waste from our body. So the last one is you get good sleep after exercise. And there is also rest is also necessary for our body, like it helps to relax our muscles. We feel refreshed after a good sleep. Sleep allows our body to rest and be ready for the next day. So if you are not getting proper exercise and you are not taking some rest, so there you will get some diseases. So here we will discuss that what are diseases. Disease is a state of unhealthy condition of the body in which one or more parts are affected and the body does not function normally. So here are two types of diseases. There are non-communicable disease and the communicable disease. So we will discuss one by one non-communicable disease and communicable. Non-communicable disease is the disease that doesn't spread from one person to another. There are several reasons to spread these diseases, just like lack of healthy food, healthy food, or deficiency of nutrients like vitamins or minerals cause different diseases. There are non-communicable diseases. Here we call them as deficiency diseases. So here I'm gonna discuss that what are the diseases that are just because of deficiency of vitamin. Just like here, just because of the deficiency of vitamin A, there is a disease that is night blindness. And the sources of vitamin A are leafy vegetables, carrot, eggs, fish, milk, and many more. The vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi, that is nervous system disease. And the sources of vitamin B are potato, bean, lentil, banana, and meat. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy, that is a disease in which spots on the skin, spongy gums and bleeding are some symptoms of the vitamin C. Mostly vitamin C we are getting from citrus fruits like orange, lemon, guava, papaya, and many more. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets, that is a disease in which bones become thin and brittle. So from vitamin D we can get from fish liver oil, egg, milk, and milk products, or exposure to sunshine is the richest source of vitamin D. Here are some deficiencies of mineral, just like the deficiency of iodine causes goiter. There is a disease in which the swelling of thyroid gland in the neck region is prominent. The sources of iodine are iodized salt in seafood. And the next one is iron. If there is a deficiency of iron, then there is a disease that is called anemia. There is a disease in which less iron in the blood causes the weakness. Here are some sources like green leafy vegetables, beans, brinjal, liver, and fish, and many more. There are some different vegetables too. So the deficiency of calcium it affects bones and teeth formation. There are some sources like dairy products, nuts, and seeds are the richest sources of calcium. So that's how you will know the importance of a balanced diet. If you are not getting a balanced diet, then you may get different diseases. So there are next reason for the non-communicable disease is unhealthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle is just like smoking, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, and environmental pollution. If your lifestyle is unhealthy, then you may get diseases such as abnormal blood pressure, lung diseases, cancer, diabetes. So just like deficiency is a problem, overeating is also a problem, or eating too much of fatty foods can cause to store extra fat in your body, and in many cases so high that it causes health problems. This condition is known as obesity. So with obesity you may have some problems like breathing problems, diabetes, or some type of cancer or joint pain. So the next one is For non-communicable disease, the third reason is allergy. Some people react negatively to certain things they eat, breathe, or touch. For example, some people sneeze a lot when exposed to dust. This condition is known as allergy. People may be allergic to different conditions, just like maybe they are allergic to temperature, maybe they are allergic to food or chemicals, medicines, and insect things. And the fourth one reason for the non-communicable disease is birth-related diseases and disorders. Sometimes certain diseases develop even before the birth of a child. For example, many children are born with a defective heart. Some are born with club foot or cleft lips. So collectively, there are four reasons for non-communicable diseases. The one was lack of healthy food, unhealthy lifestyle, allergy, and birth-related diseases and disorders. The next one is communicable disease, the disease which spread from one person to another. That is communicable disease. There are tiny living organisms present everywhere, in the air, in water, in soil, in food, and also inside the bodies of animals. We cannot see them with our bare eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. So they are called microbes. So there are some of the microbes that spread diseases are called germs. So there are many types of germs, just like bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and virus. So bacteria can cause diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis, and meningitis. And the next one is protozoa, can cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. And the next one is fungi, can cause skin diseases like ringworm disease and nail infections. And the virus can cause diseases like common cold, influenza, bird flu, swine flu, and polio. So here in picture you can see how bacteria looks like and how protozoa looks, fungi, and virus. When a large number of people living in an area become ill, they will ill with some disease. At the same time, it is called an epidemic or outbreak of the disease. Some diseases which cause an epidemic are jaundice, cholera, typhoid, malaria, plague, and the most recent is the COVID-19. And do you know that not only is smoking injurious to health, even inhaling the smoke released by a smoker is equally bad. So you must avoid being near a person who is smoking. So you have to take some precautions just like this. If somebody is smoking, then you have to first restrain them, that you don't have to sit nearby them. And so here I have given a project. Here you have to make a group of 5 children. You have to gather information and make a presentation about one epidemic that took place in the past. Find out the reasons for the outbreak, the effect, how many people suffer from it, how it could have been avoided, and what you can do to make people aware of it. Your presentation should include the following, like title, the name of the epidemic, name of the children in the groups, like participants, and photographs along with all your data. Write what you felt about preparing the project. Thank you.